Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create your Facebook page. For you to be able to run a successful ad on Facebook and Instagram, you will need a Facebook page. So after you have selected the product you want to promote, then the next thing you are going to do is to create a page for that particular product. And I will advise that you should create each page for each product you are promoting. Don't merge two products together on one page. That will trigger Facebook algorithm. And before you start running ad, make sure you have warm up your page effectively. So let's get started. If you want to create page, once you are on your timeline and specifically on the home tab, you will see pages on the left hand side. Click on it and it will display all the pages you have. That is if you have page before, but if you don't have page before, you won't see any, but you will see this button, create new page. So you will hit create new page, and this dialog box is going to open. And here you are going to fill in all these details, like your about, your description, the description of your business. Just assume that page you have created is a business, so you are going to give it a name, and the name you are giving it should be relevant to the product you are promoting. Take for instance, if you are promoting an e-commerce, then the name of your page should be related to e-commerce. It should be something like 4x e-commerce or e-commerce blueprint. And just make your research and take time to select a good name for your page, and it should be relevant to the product you are promoting. Or maybe take for instance, if you are promoting a health related product, then you can give it a name like healthy body, or you can say health is wealth. All those names should be related, or Dr. Kunle. It should be related to the product you are promoting, so that by the time people are viewing your ad, they should be able to relate it to the product you are promoting immediately without even seeing your page. They should be able to know what your page is all about. All right, having given your page a name, you will select the category you belong to. If you are in health, then you select health. If you are in business, if you are in commerce, then you select something like entrepreneur. If you are traveling, you can select consultancy. By the time you start, you see all those things. Then make sure you fill all these description, you fill it correctly, and take your time to fill it very well. Don't be too much in a hurry, and do it effectively. Then upload your cover image and your logo, so that Facebook will see it as a serious page, because this is one of the things that got a lot of people ad account being banned. If they come to review your page and they see that you have not done serious things that shows that you are a real business, then they will disable the account. It will look like the page is just there to defraud people, so they will disable it. To avoid all that, make sure you create something very serious. create a serious business. And if possible, if you can see a graphic designer that will design your cover image, get a graphic designer to design your cover page, or you can use Canva to design your cover page. Then you can also use Canva to create your logo. I'm going to show you how to create your logo. I will show you in one of my video. Then you upload it, or you upload your something that is relevant to your business or the product you are promoting. Then after you have done that, you have created your page successfully. Then the next thing is you will invite your Facebook friends to like your page. Then you also create some posts. You create some posts so that you start warming up your page. You cannot start running ads immediately. You need to wait like something like a week or 3 days. And if your Facebook account is new, don't create page with it. Otherwise, it will trigger Facebook algorithm. So, for you to create Facebook page, your Facebook account has to be at least as old as 3 weeks or 3 months. Don't create a Facebook page with an account that is new. That will lead it to be banned or shut down completely. I hope that is gotten. Then after you have created your Facebook page, then you should also be thinking of how to get a domain name. I will give you where you can possess cheap domain name. You can get cheaper domain name on Namecheap. You can also get it at QServer. There are so many other ones that I will show you later on. So make sure you get your domain name so that in your page you are going to see a position for website. Take for instance, let me open one of my page and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, this is one of my page, and you can see if you click on about, if you check my about, you will see everything here. You will see the place for website. So this is where your website URL is going to be, and you fill in your number here, your email address, and all other details. This will show Facebook that you are actually a serious business, and it is the way you take your business serious. That is how Facebook take you also. If you don't take your business serious, Facebook will not take you serious, and so what they are going to do is to shut down your account. If they see that you are not serious, then they are going to restrict you or ban your account totally. So that is how it works. Make sure you get your domain. I'm going to give you a link that you can use to buy a cheaper domain name. And if that is done, then the next thing you will have to do is to create your business manager account. Now, what most people do is that when they are on their timeline, they try to boost the post they have created. Yes, that is good, but there is another better way of creating ad, and that is to create ad in your business manager. So for the first time, if you want to create your business manager account, you are going to go to business facebook.com/create. Then you enter, this is it, create account, and fill in all your details, the details about your business. Here they are going to ask you to fill your website, your phone number, your email address, and they are going to ask you to confirm it. They are going to send a message to your email and ask you to click on it to confirm whether it is your own. So make sure the email address you are going to fill here, it should be such that you will be able to access it. Alright, this is the much we can take in this video. In the next video, I will show you how to create your ad account. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video. Bye.